Hello! In this video we will demonstrate the sending and receiving MQTT secure message via ESP using the ESP32. As a basis to our example, we will go to the expressive side, ESP MQTT, inside the API protocols, as always. And in this time, we will use this example. SSL example, MQTT over TCP, default port 8883. The number of port is very important, and also the method. Inside this, we can see some changes and requirements to be made to our project. The first one is the CMake text file, txt file. You see here the binary file added to the project. So in our project, inside CMake text txt, we will add a link to the PEM file. The PEM file will include all the relevant keys needed to our project. Moving forward, inside the main, also the component MK file need to be updated. You see here, so inside our project, component MK have the relevant text file connection to the PEM file. And let's see if we have something else in the project. The CMake remains the same inside main, so we will not touch it. Here they use Kconfig file with the following link, and this link we will incorporate inside our file here, the URI. We will go over it in more detail, but just to see the connection. So we will not use the Kconfig file. We just take this link and incorporate it, hard code it directly to our code. Okay, the next step is to see our case and build the MQTT Pen File with all our keys. From the previous videos, we covered the method to build those keys for MQTTS protocol. So here inside main certs we have three files: the client key, the client certificate, and the server certificate. So we will subscribe to the test Mosquitto.org host, to the topic with my topic name via the 8883 port, using those three keys as were shown in the previous example. In parallel, from the same directory, because this directory have all the relevant keys and certificate, we will publish to the following keys, to the test Mosquitto.org message hello world, to topic my topic with relevant port. Let's see, here we can see that it's worked. Now from those three keys we have to construct a PEM file. Generally I just made the relevant pen file for us to work. Generally, the sequence of the pen file have four files: the private key, the primary certificate, the intermediate certificate, and the root certificate. In our case, we will start with the key. We just copy it and go to the PEM and paste it here. Then we will go to the client certificate, and then we will go to the server certificate. Now we have created our pen file which have private key, private client key, client certificate that we created in the previous video, and the server key which we downloaded from the site in the previous video. Now we have our MQTT pen file built. Now let's go over the code, which is mostly based on the previous videos, but we just will point out some differences. As a reference, we will use the C code from the example. And the important thing is look over those two lines that connect the binary pen file, the text pen file inside the chip memory. We have with all those includes and my data as include for the Wi-Fi credentials, we have those two files here, which will define the start and the end of the pen file. Wi-Fi connection remains the same as in all our previous videos, and also the MQTT handler. Please note that when it will be connected, we will implement subscription to my topic and publication to my topic, hi to all from ESP, with the following message. Another change, the handler will not change, and another change is the definition of the start. If we go to MQTT app start, if we will go to the example, it's pretty the same, and we in previous videos explained all the changes that we did to our code. They are using config broker URI, which is defined in Kconfig file. We will hard code it. The same, except of this, all the definitions remained the same. We can see it here. So the server tested Mosquitto org with the following port is hard coded, and the cert PM have its definition to the two lines which were defined here in the beginning of the code. Except those two changes, we didn't have any additional changes from standard MQTT protocol. Now let's compile it, and here I see that in our subscription the connection was lost. So I will reconnect, should we say, to test Mosquitto org to my topic, and he got some message hello from somebody, I suppose, who sent it in some way. Okay, now Wi-Fi was initialized, MQTT TCP server is connected. Okay, he also got the hello message, and also send hi to all from ESP32. That means this line, where it is, yes, it's here. This line was implemented. The message hi to all from ESP32 was sent, and you see it here and here. Now let's send something. We will send hello world with a few dots. Okay, we are connecting. Okay, we get hello world with a few dots, and here we get the message also inside the ESP. In this video we have demonstrated the way to send and receive MQTT secure messages to and from the ESP32 and work with the MQTTS broker with secure way. Thank you.